Hey there, it's Tamika again, your favorite travel advisor. Guess what today is? Travel Tip Tuesday. Yay! Okay, so today's pro tip is actually something that I got from a retreat that I went to. And actually, I had the pleasure and the honor of attending my church's annual retreat that we do every year. And I actually get the pleasure of helping plan that, which is exciting. But anyway, I will leave their information in the comments below, so make sure that you look at that. Bold Faith Community Church, you know. Okay, so anyway, so it was brought to my attention about my packing, because I am team carry-on until I die. So if I go on vacation and if I can pack everything in my carry-on, I do that. I don't like to do the check bags. I mean, of course, if you're traveling international, sometimes you can't get away from that because there's anyway. So, but for like weekend trips, you know, trips that are less than a week, I usually just pack a carry-on bag. So one of the pro tips that I want to mention is that you have to utilize some form of like packing cubes. I love packing cubes. And I'm telling you, once you start using them, you will never go back. So one of the things that I would highly recommend is using packing cubes. If you don't have packing cubes, there's other ways that you can pack your items in your carry-on that will utilize all of the space so that you don't have to pack or have a check bag. But it is, I believe it is a science to it. One of the things that I know that we do subconsciously, especially as women, is that we tend to overpack. We tend to pack things that we ain't worn in years, but somehow we're going to wear it on that vacation. I don't know why we do that. But anyway, there is a key to packing that. And if you want to see how I actually packed for this past weekend, in the comments, I want you to put I want to see. And that way I will do like an extended video where I will show how I actually pack. So if you're interested, make sure you leave that in the comments. I want to see. But yeah, make sure that you use packing cubes, okay? All right, till next time, wishing you lots of love, joy, and sunny travels. Bye!